Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to pin Google to the taskbar on your Windows PC. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google in your browser. Open browser. Then we will search for google.com. Then press enter. Now click on three lines. Scroll down. Click on cast, save and share. Then click on create shortcut. A prompt will be come. Then click on create. Now you will see Google will be added in your desktop. Right click on it. Then click on show more options. Here you will see pin to taskbar. Click on it. Now you will see that's it. Google is now pinned to your taskbar. From now on, just click the Google icon on your taskbar to open Google instantly. And that's how you pin Google to the taskbar on Windows. If this video helped you, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more quick and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.